Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make a Roblox game on a Chromebook. You press create first, and also you press create new game, and you press any game you want. So I'm going to pick Pirate Island, and I'm going to go to basic settings and make the name, okay? Now, first make the description. And now let's go to access. And I'm gonna make it 3 players. Okay, let's go to advanced. I don't know what to do here, but let's go. Okay, now let's press create a new game. And also let's go check out if I made my new game. Okay, let's go press it. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's press creations. And you always have to check if it's made, because if it does not work, then I don't know what to do. Okay. It's not here. I'm going to refresh the page if it is there. Refresh the page. Go back to my creations. See if it is there. Wait, I made it private. Oh, I made it private. Go back to create. What's private? Guys, if you could forget, I don't know what to do. Okay, now press public. Let's save. And it's gonna be there. And guys, that would be it for the video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for YouTube to notify you when I post another video. And please like. Bye-bye.